Double-hung window installation in Pompano Beach is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and style. These double-hung windows Pompano Beach offer easy operation and a classic look, making them ideal for any residential property. Our expert team specializes in double-hung window installation, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your home's design. Window replacement services in Pompano Beach, Florida, are essential for maintaining the beauty and efficiency of your home. Our comprehensive window replacement services include energy-efficient windows that help reduce energy costs and improve comfort. We offer a wide range of window-style options to suit any architectural design, ensuring your new windows enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Energy-efficient windows in Pompano Beach are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy bills. Our selection of energy-efficient windows includes advanced technologies that provide superior insulation and UV protection. These windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while minimizing energy consumption. Custom double-hung windows. Pompano Beach Solutions offer homeowners the opportunity to create unique and personalized window designs. Our custom window solutions include a variety of materials, finishes, and styles to match your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a modern or traditional look, our team can help you design the perfect windows for your home. Window replacement experts in Pompano Beach are available to address any issues with your existing windows. From window frame replacement to window glass replacement, our skilled technicians can handle all types of window replacements. We provide prompt and reliable service to ensure your windows are functioning properly and looking their best. Residential window services in Pompano Beach cover a wide range of needs, from installation to maintenance. Our residential window services include window sealing services, window hardware replacement, and window sash replacement. We are committed to providing high-quality services that enhance the performance and longevity of your windows. Window frame replacement in Florida is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window frame replacement services address issues such as rot, warping, and damage caused by weather conditions. We use durable materials and expert techniques to restore your window frames to their original condition. Window glass replacement in Pompano Beach is necessary when your windows are cracked, foggy, or broken. Our window glass replacement services ensure that your windows are safe, secure, and visually appealing. We offer a variety of glass options, including energy-efficient and noise-reducing glass to meet your specific needs. Window maintenance services in Pompano Beach help extend the life of your windows and keep them looking their best. Our window maintenance services include regular cleaning, inspection, and minor replacements. We offer customized maintenance plans to suit your schedule and budget, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Window sealing services in Pompano Beach are essential for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our double-hung windows. Pompano Beach sealing services include the application of high-quality sealants that provide a tight seal around your windows. This helps reduce energy loss and enhances the comfort of your home.